Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I hope you do that today and that you hit that notifications bell also. Now, guys, you may have guessed by now that this is Tablescape Sunday. And today's Tablescape theme is the Spring and Easter Tablescape Sunday 2020. Now, I don't know if you know who the Diva Dynasty is, but they are 5 ladies that have come together, and every 2 weeks they co-host and host the Tablescape Sunday series. Now, for this week, the host for this week is Cynthia Shesobless. Miss Cynthia has a wonderful channel. If you don't subscribe to her, please go over and show her some love today. Now, the other ladies in the Diva Dynasty are Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Mysterious Alberta, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and the lovely Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. You know, I really love what these ladies are doing, which is why I participate in this series. They're 5 ladies that have come together not only to grow and support their own channels, but they really help all of us. And I just think it's fantastic what they're doing. And again, I will have links in the description box to all 5 of their channels. Please go visit them, go show them some love, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever they upload new content. I promise you, you will not regret it. Also, make sure that you check out the playlist, and in the description box there will be the hashtag so that you can find all of the videos of all of the YouTube creators who collaborated and took advantage of this collab and participated in it, because I know that they all have done some fantastic work. And like I always say, I've just been really impressed with all of the talent out here on YouTube. So again, make sure that you go and visit, and make sure that you show all of the participants and the host and hostess of this collaboration some love. Now, for this collaboration, we didn't have the typical color rules. We were able to pick whatever colors we wanted. The only thing Miss Cynthia said is pick colors that you associate with Easter from your childhood, whether they just be colors that, you know, make you think about your childhood Easters, or maybe it's a favorite dress or outfit or something that you wore back in your childhood days. But for me, when I thought about that, I thought about blue and yellow. So that's what I went with, blue and yellow and some pops of white. Now, what I'm going to do is briefly go through and do a little walkthrough, talk through. And just like I normally do, I will go ahead and stay quiet for a little bit and just let you enjoy the tablescape with a little music. Now, what I did for the centerpiece, you can see that I've got some yellow fabric on the table. That's something I typically do, kind of a trademark of mine. There I've got, over top of the fabric, I've got a round mirror. And on top of the mirror, I've got some glass candle holders with yellow candles. I've got my typical votives. This time I'm using the blue votive containers. And you'll see I've got my little bunny there. And on the back side here, you'll see I've got a bowl filled with some glittery Easter eggs. Now, those are not DIYs. I did pick those Easter eggs up at Home Goods. Now, the centerpiece, I'll pan up. I'm using my tall Eiffel vase. Go up a little bit. And I have topped it with one of my floral DIYs. And you guys may have heard me mention in another video that I'm starting a series soon on just showing you, you know, some how-tos on how I do my floral DIY centerpieces. And place settings, I went with blue and white. I've got blue placemats, white plates, clear saucers, and then white saucers. And I've got two different types of napkin rings on the table. Two place settings rather, have yellow napkin rings, but they all have the same napkins. And I'll get closer so that you can see they're light blue. And of course they, you know, they have a little sparkle in them. And, your girl loves sparkle, so that's what drew me to those napkins. Since I thought of this as a Easter Sunday tablescape, I have a formal silverware set up here, as you can see. And this is the other napkin ring. It's blue and white. Got two of those and two of the yellow. And that's really it. That's my setting. The glassware you've seen before, that's some crystal that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago when they had it on clearance. So this is what I came up with, guys. I hope you like it. And again, I welcome all of your comments. And, again, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll do that today. Hope that you'll subscribe and hit that notifications button. And again, let me just give a last shout out here to the ladies of Diva Decorating. Again, because none of this would happen without them, since they're the ones that came up with this idea of doing tablescapes every other Sunday. So again, Diva Dynasty, and there's 5 ladies. Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia Shesobless, Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and the lovely Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And again, I will make sure that in the description box, you'll have links to all of their channels that you can view, as well as a link to the playlist so that you can find all of the other ladies and whatever they've done for this Tablescape Sunday, as well as the hashtag. So I'll be quiet now, just let you kind of look at the tablescape. But guys, I thank you so much for tuning in, and you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And again, I can't wait to see you in the next video.